What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Groove Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2022 Lexus RCF. This vehicle has a 5-liter naturally aspirated V8 with 472 horsepower and 395 pound-feet of torque and an 8-speed automatic transmission. I've always liked the RCF. I've never driven one before, so I'm excited to get this video. These things sound insane. I also made a video on the IS 500 recently if you want to check that out. Same engine, 5-liter V8. They sound pretty much the same. But yeah, I'm really excited to drive it. But this is like a full F model, not an F Sport. It's a full F. But yeah, I'm really excited to drive this car. I got my boy Simone here. What do you think of this car?
Love the interior so far. I love the small details. Carbon fiber on the trim. Heated ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. So it's pretty loaded out.
It's cool. I like this trim. It's like white carbon fiber, and also the seats look awesome. Like these little, like the F Sport seats are awesome. Yeah. They're super comfortable. Great lateral support. Also the F models like a GSF, RCF have this shifter. Reverse camera resolution's not the best, but you know. And you have the touchscreen or the touchpad. The infotainment is definitely a drawback in this vehicle, but you know it gets the job. I guess it does the job. But yeah, this this gauge cluster is awesome. The full F models have a different gauge cluster. It's still like the same one, but like the font and everything looks different. The tachometer and everything looks different as well. So you have Eco, Sport Plus, Sport and Sport Plus. We'll be driving the Sport Plus for this drive, and you also have a sunroof. But let's walk around this car, see what it looks like. This looks amazing. Like, I love the wheels. It looks super aggressive. I love the F badge on the side. The daytime running lights look really nice, and you have the big Lexus spindle grille. Looks really cool too. This is a really good looking car, and I love the orange F brake calipers. This looks awesome, and the F exhaust tips look awesome too. It's the stacked signature F exhausts. And I love on the F badge, it's like blue. It looks really cool. Here's the trunk.
The engine is nuts.
It sounds so good. Let's get it out on the road. You also have Alcantara center console, and also on the F models, like it's like the signature blue color. As I said, the shift paddles, the plus and minus is also blue.
Dude,
it sounds so good. Oh my god.
Yeah, absolutely. This car is a freak show. Oh my god.
It sounds so good. That's crazy. Oh my god.
It's been a while since I've had a car make me feel that kind of way.
When I drove the IS 500, I felt the same way. Oh my god. It sounds so good. That is crazy.
Dude, this is...
That's insane.
That's such a beautiful sound.
That is absolutely insane how good this car sounds.
Yeah, and it's like its pickup is pretty good too.
Yeah, like I mean, see, these F models aren't the fastest, but they are quick.
Yeah.
But it's more so about like they're very reliable performance vehicles, and they sound ridiculous. Like the sound alone is literally like amazing, right?
I agree.
What more do you need than that? Imagine like daily driving this every day. It'd be so fun. Let's put it back in the normal mode. See how it's like for the rest of the drive in normal. But yeah, this car is absolutely insane. And while you're trying to drive, if you have to like use this touchpad to access something on the screen. But you'll be enjoying that V8 the whole time anyway, so who cares?
How small the car is? Like it's not.
It's pretty spacious.
Pretty spacious.
I mean, it's got rear seats, but I bet like only kids or very small adults can sit back there. Yeah, I'm gonna drive in the eco mode. Seems like we're a little bit low on gas, so we'll drive on eco mode for the rest of the drive, just see how it's like to just cruise in this car along the road. It is nice. The eco gauge looks interesting. It's like this big blue, like.
I wonder if this car has interior like ambient lighting.
It doesn't look like it does. I might be wrong though, but I don't think it does. But yeah, all the materials and everything just feels so good in here.
Yeah, like the suede, the door handle.
Yeah. Yeah, I love the gauge cluster, but this car is awesome. I absolutely love this car. It's amazing. It would be so fun to just like drive on the highway in this thing every day. But overall, this Lexus RCF is a very, very fun vehicle to drive. I absolutely love the driving experience, super fun. In the Sport Plus, it's great, and then even in this Eco mode, cruises well, feels comfortable. Overall, it's awesome. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for very cool vehicles like this Lexus RCF.